In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick tomatoes vegetable sauce. For rice, it can be eaten with anything. First, you put your tomato paste into the oil, the vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. You add your tomatoes, your chopped up tomatoes, and your pepper, and stir to combine properly. You cover for about 2 minutes. And you stir again to combine properly, and thereafter you add your protein. Here I'm using fish. I'm a lover of fish, so you add your protein and stir to combine, and thereafter you add your salt. I like to add, as I add my ingredients, I like to stir to make sure each ingredient incorporates into the food. I add my seasoning cube as well. You can use any seasoning of your choice. It's a very quick meal. In 15 minutes, it's ready. Add your seasoning cube and stir to combine. I stir each one. And thereafter, you add your all-purpose seasoning. Use seasoning of your choice. I'm using all-purpose seasoning here. And I'll also add a little bit of curry. Add to the quantity you want. It's a quick food. I don't do measurement. I just add to the quantity I want as well. You can do that. You stir properly to combine. Then you add your garlic and ginger. A little bit of garlic, but a lot of ginger. I want it a bit spicy and smoky. And as we go, I'm going to add some paprika to just bring out the smoky flavor. So you stir that ginger and garlic to combine properly into it to combine, so it can really combine. And you leave it to continue to steam on the fire. Just make sure it's not burned this time around. Don't close until you incorporate every ingredient, every spice into it. And you let it steam, and now here you add a little bit of paprika. Just a little bit, not so much, maybe like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. You stir to combine to bring out that smoky flavor. It's a quick sauce. It can be used for anything. Here I add my onion. I like the onion, my onion crunchy, and that's why I add it quite late. I don't want it too cooked. I want it a bit crunchy, and I like the onion. It's a little bit of a native kind of my own kind of recipe. I made it. I like it. I call it the onion vegetable tomato sauce. I use it for rice. I use it for yam. I can use it for anything. Even for pasta, it works for anything. It's just a 15 minutes fix. You cover it to steamer. Here you have it. You just want more ingredients and the meal is ready. Here you add the vegetable. I'm adding vegetable. The vegetable is optional, but I like to put vegetable in my food because I'm trying to diet. And if you watch from the beginning, I did not let the vegetable oil or the olive oil to steam up. As soon as I put it on fire, I quickly add my tomato paste and the chopped up tomatoes and all that, and you leave it to steamer for about 2-3 minutes. Your vegetable onion tomato sauce is ready to be eaten with whatever meal of your choice. You can eat it with rice, yam, pasta. You can even eat it like that. Depends on what you want to use it for. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share,